WHA Marketing Strategy Warehouse Spec Market by Highlight. In Q1 2013, the total supply of warehouse spec available for rent stood at 3,111,372 SQM, demonstrating an increase of 3.60% for the last quarter, or 73.72% year-over-year. At an additional 1,000 and 8,188 SQM of new supply entered the market. Average occupancy rate dropped by 2.6% from Q4 to 90.1% in Q1 2013 due to new development completions. Market overview. Distribution of warehouse spec by location have สมุทรปราการ Bangkok อยุธยา ชลบุรี ฉะเชิงเทรา ปทุมธานี สระบุรี นครราชสีมา สมุทรสาคร ระยอง 43% of our warehouse for rent are located in Samut Prakan province, which enjoys close proximity to Bangkok. Several major industrial estates and excellent transport connections. However, as developers plan new warehouse projects along the eastern seaboard and increasingly in the northeast to cater to the population's growing purchasing power, the distribution across the province is expected to change. Although the quality of Lab's warehouse spec increased again in the first quarter of 2013, occupancy rate have fallen steadily over the past year due to the expansion of existing projects and new projects by both new and old players. This graph shows warehouse rental market have supply less occupancy demand. Average occupancy rates in the warehouse retail market dropped from the last quarter by 2.6% to 19.1%. Interval occupancy rate Q1 2012 96.72% minus Q1 for 2013 98.38%. We will have answer year after year is 1.66%. The amount of spec less on the eastern seaboard in Q1 2013 rose by 201,000 SQM. Yet, it's despite recording the lowest occupancy rate of 51.4%, a drop of 17.15% as 101,512 SQM of new supply came on stream. Supply. The total supply of warehouse for rent in Q1 2013 increased by 3.60%, representing an additional 108,188 SQM, or 23.72% year-over-year to 3,111,373 72 SQM compared to the last quarter. Over next 12 months, most of the new supply will be entering the market in Samut Prakan and the Eastern Seaboard. Given current occupancy rates and leasing activity, we are confident that specs entering the Samut Prakan market will be reality absorbed. However, with just 51% occupancy on the Eastern Seaboard, we expect intense competition for tenants from the new project. The average rental rates of warehouse space increased in all markets by 1% to 2.5% in response to continued growth in demand. Nivat Eno, senior major industrial logistics state, demand for warehouse space has grown due to the number of new factories that have been established and also because major warehouse occupiers are consolidating operations to save costs and improve efficiency.
We expect demand for warehouse space to continue growing with the establishment of more factories here and occupiers seeking to reduce logistic costs and improve efficiency. Thailand shares borders with Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Myanmar, Malaysia, and China. This is geographically well placed to play the role of Asian logistic hub in the forthcoming AEC. Based on past observation and on recent warehouse investment decision by occupiers, Knight Frank believes this will continue to contribute to demand and years to come. However, in the face of increased competition, new developments entering the market at this time should consider a precise development and leasing approves. In addition, there are several new projects scheduled by both existing and new developers to enter the market over the list of 2001T, which is likely to contribute to potential oversupply for some locations. Developers should therefore give more consideration to location and access and carefully weigh build specification against length.
SWOT analysis. We will begin with strength. First, join with KPN Group Corporation, a high-risk property developer. Second, having thousands of rai of land reserved for future development. Third, having a license for an exciting solar roof project. The project will generate 20 megawatts of electricity through 200,000 square meters of solar roof panel, paving the way of the BHA to become the country's biggest power producer from solar roofs. Fourth, proven a strong track record and credential in Thailand and its EA. Fifth, pioneered built-to-suit concept to Thai logistic market. 6. Superior and best-in-class warehouse distribution center in Prime. 7. Like-minded logistic consultant and hand-on management team. 8. Most sophisticated financial engineering tools to serve the capital-intensive business and satisfy the attractive return on capital to shareholder. Now we will go on to the weakness of the SWOT analysis. First one is because of maintaining in high quality product, company could not go to war price competition, which most competitors in the market did. Second, because of doing build to suit concept, when the rental contract ends, company must reconstruct the warehouse to suit the new requirements of new customer. Third, because of going to the high quality market, company has a few customer, only big company, so company growth will too much depend on the growth of big company. Fourth, having a field big contractor to build factories and warehouses. Continue to the opportunities. First opportunities. Thailand formally entered the AEC in 2015. Among the expected benefits include the birth of much larger marketplace with higher quality of raw materials and part, as well as lower price. This is a great chance for fresh investment and for Thai companies to raise their capability. Of course, ASEAN could become an important part production hub in the future. Second, Thailand has a unique advantage because of its geographical location. It provides easy accessibility to all major ports in the vicinity, including Japan, China, and India, as well as emerging economies like Cambodia, Vietnam, and Laos. Third, Thailand has also committed to the South Asia Free Trade Agreement (SAFTA) and the Indo-Thai Free Trade Agreement, which have improved trade ties within the region. These factors have resulted in the growth of some major ports like Ram Chabang, Krong Thai, and Bangkok. Fourth, Thailand also has an extensive road network with a road density of around 125.7 kilometers per thousand square meters. Thailand presently ranks third in ASEAN region, with the possibility of trans-ASEAN highway networking most countries on the ASEAN mainland. Fifth, Thailand could become a regional logistic hub of ASEAN as it is contiguous with countries such as Laos, Cambodia, Malaysia, Myanmar. In addition, the government has taken initiatives to improve the country's road and rail infrastructure network to match global standards. 6. In 2005, the government announced a plan to invest $45 billion in infrastructural development over the next 5 years. The growth of air transportation infrastructure also has the potential to place in Thailand at a logistic advantage. The opening of the prestigious Suvarnabhumi Airport recently serves to put Thailand's position in the regional air freight market. Next, international logistic companies may choose to make Thailand as their regional operation hubs due to the country's booming industry activities and excellent geographical location. Many foreign automotive companies such as General Motors and Toyota have already made Thailand as their regional manufacturing hub. Finally, about of the opportunities, increasing export of furniture and apparel industry could add further momentum to logistics sector in the country. 3. The AEC will bring higher competition, causing parts market to rise their standard domestically. If not, production base could more easier be relocated from Thailand to other ASEAN countries. It could also lead to the exodus of Thai workers to other countries where they can enjoy higher wages. Second, more competitors from other potential logistic hubs in the region. Singapore, which currently serves as a regional logistic hub for many companies in Southeast Asia, will be Thailand's number one competitor. It already has a well-established air and ocean transport infrastructure. Singapore also has the busiest port in the region, with an annual capacity of around 20 million TEU. TEU stands for 20 food equivalent units. That means the capacities of the port. It also has a state-of-the-art airport with good logistics support, infrastructure, and global connectivity. The country has a high advanced information and communication network. 10. Malaysia is other major threat of Thailand in its pursuit to be the logistic hub of ASEAN. Malaysia is an rapidly developing nation with very good infrastructure in place. The country has 5 international airports and 2 seaports, which offer state-of-the-art logistics support infrastructure, including huge logistics parks within their vicinity. There is an excellent road network connecting all these major ports, and government is trying to further spruce up the infrastructure. Finally, Thailand still lags behind Singapore and Malaysia in terms of infrastructure development. It may take a few more years before it becomes a viable alternative to Malaysia or Singapore. Political uncertainty and civil unrest in some provinces could slow the growth of infrastructure.
Segmentations, target, and positioning. Our segmentation is to provide clients with factory and warehousing solutions in order for them to operate at full efficiency. Our target group is the manufacturers around the world who want to distribute the product to all the countries in Southeast Asia. Our positioning is to be the number one build-to-suit distribution center and factory developer in Thailand. Company vision and missions. Vision to be the number one build-to-suit distribution center and factory developer in Thailand. For the missions, our business goal is to provide the client through our knowledge and expertise with a solution for the management for their distribution centers and factories, as well as to create a long relationship with each of our clients. Business concept. The WHA Group has the aim to provide a world-class distribution center and factories with the build-to-suit strategy that exactly match with the particular client-specific requirements and operations, as well as the high standard, ready-built warehouse for serving the overflow to the client with enable to each particular client to maximize their operational efficiency. The summary of the video. Logistics become important strategy operation nowadays because it can organize transportations. WHA Warehouse Asia leading developer to warehouse distribution center and factory project. The first, build-to-suit. Design the building is high standard demand. Second, warehouse farm. Develop warehouse farm as a project to make as high standard. WHA established in 2003 by Dr. Somyos and Ms. Jariporn Anantaprayun with professional team, warehouse, distribution center, factory building. For the service, full scale of service, 2 projects developed, 2 warehouse distribution center and large factory include selections of location and gave advice, designs, constructions, and sales service increase demand. For stand of the company, professionals. Professionals has select location for each different plan, business with convenient transportations. Pay attention to design the warehouse structure. They use world-class standards quality for professional team. Sales service. The sales service have to take care and solve the problem for the company. WHA growth rate 27.7 from 2006 to 2012 by development build-to-suit project development, warehouse farm projects, and close to world class. Thank you for attention.